Okay, let's look at this question here. We've got the function f is defined by the equation f of x equals ax squared. That's y equals ax squared. Well, you know that's a parabola. The point minus 4 and 4 lies on the graph. So, and there's a restriction, x is less than or equal to 0. Calculate the value of a. Well, this is what you do. F of x, you know, is ax squared. That means y equals ax squared. All you do is substitute the point in. X is minus 4, and y is 4. So there's your x is minus 4, y is 4. Minus 4 squared is 16. Divide 4 divided by 16. That's 1/4. So the equation is really y equals 1/4 x squared. Well, now the next part is to find the inverse. So we've got y equals, I should have said 1/4 x squared. All you do is switch x and y. You get the inverse. But now we have to put it in the form y equals, so we've got to multiply both sides by 4. We get y squared equals 4x, and then we have to do the opposite of squaring. We square root both sides. But if you've got the negative branch here, the branch on the left of y squared, then you're going to need the negative branch of the square root in order to get the inverse. So it must be the negative part because x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, and what does that look like? So we're going to ask you on the same set of axes, sketch these two things and the axis of symmetry and any intercepts. Well, here we go. We knew that minus 4 and 4 works as a point. So that means that 4 and minus 4 must work as a point. We know that 0 and 0 works in both of them. And there's the axis of symmetry that I probably should have put axis of symmetry on, y equals x. Well, it's the half of a parabola here on this side. That's the function f. The inverse is half of a sideways parabola down here, but the negative part. That's that minus the square root of 4x. And there's the sketch of all the things, the intercept right there, and those points right there are enough to give you the shape of what's going on. So there's the function question.